Step into the Kia 2019 Niro LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.